Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to switch to an Instagram business account. To do this, it's really simple. You have just to go to Instagram, open the app, and after that go to your profile, and after that go and click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, go and click. First of all, you have to look for an option called Account Type and Tools, and go and click on Switch to Professional Account. After that, click Next. Look the category that you want for your profile, blogger for example, and choose if you want to make it displayed on your profile or not, and click on Switch to Professional. And here you have to choose if you want creator or business account. Click on Business, click Next. Put here the information, if you want, of course. And connect it to Facebook if you want also. And here it will give you some options that you can use with your account, like get inspired from other businesses if you want, and things like that. And we will restart Instagram. And now our account is a business account, and as you can see, we have this professional dashboard appearing now, and like that you transferred or you transformed your account from personal account to business account. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video. See you in the next one.